Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Huawei Watch GT6. I got this from Noon Supermall and I got this in less than 1 hour, which the service that they are providing is excellent. So if you order from Noon Supermall and use the channels code OFT, you will get cash back. So let me just quickly unbox this. And I got the regular Huawei Watch GT6 because if we compare it to the Pro version is a little bit expensive, and the features that they are providing are very similar, so which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So I also got the screen protector to protect the watch, of course. So let me just quickly unbox this and show you all of the features. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off from the back. And guys, the key features that they are providing is first of all, the display is 1.47 inches AMOLED display, which with the peak brightness of 3000 nits, which is incredible. And battery life, they are providing 867 milliamps of battery, which is also, in my opinion, absolutely amazing for this type of watch. So let me just quickly open the box, and here is our watch. As you can see, silver. I got the brown strap, so the leather quality is also amazing, and the build quality is also very nice, guys. It's not made out of titanium like the Pro version, but still the build quality is amazing, guys. So let's see what other things we get inside the box. Here is our charging dock, here as you can see, but not with the type C port. It's a regular USB 3.0, I believe, from the end. So yeah, my main concern was I'm gonna switch from my Galaxy Watch Ultra to Huawei Watch GT6 because of the battery life, guys. Don't get me wrong, Galaxy Watch Ultra is a really nice watch, but battery life that they are providing, only 2 days of battery life, which is in my opinion not that great if you turn on the always on display. They should have at least provided us for 1 week of battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I don't like to charge my watch after 2 days, honestly. So that's why I got the Huawei Watch GT6. Even though it doesn't come with Google Play Store and stuff like that, I really don't care about Google Play Store in my smartwatch, honestly. So, and it's a lot cheaper compared to the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So here, as you can see, so far I'm really liking the build quality, guys. We get a stainless steel, and on the front we have 1.47 inches AMOLED display. On the right hand side, let me just quickly take this out, and let's just rip it. So here's our watch, and as you can see, we have 2 buttons on the right hand side. Let me just take this plastic off from the back as well. The crown key and the power button, I believe, and on the left hand side we have nothing. And as you can see, the speaker is on the right side of this watch, guys, here as you can see. So yeah, overall the design looks really nice. Let me just quickly turn this on and set it up, because I believe you need to create a Huawei Health Honor ID, Huawei ID, I believe, to use this on your Android smartphone. And you can also pair this with your iOS devices, which is really nice. So, but the Galaxy Watch Ultra, I think you cannot pair it with the iPhone, which is quite disappointing for some. But still, guys, the AMOLED display looks amazing, guys, honestly, and it's running on Harmony OS. So we're gonna see. And I really miss the crown key, guys, because in Galaxy Watch Ultra there is no crown key, you only get a button. So crown key is very useful if you want to navigate. You can of course use the touch screen, but the crown key has a really nice haptic feedback. It's very similar to Apple Watch Ultra. And look at the transactions, guys. I've set it up, and look at the animations, guys. Amazing performance in this price range. I think the display quality looks also really nice. It's very crisp and clear, the image quality. And let's set this watch face. Look at the animation, guys. Amazing. The display is amazing. AMOLED 3000 nits of peak brightness. So here is another watch face. And I'm really liking the bezel sizes. Bezel size is very thin, So overall the build quality looks amazing. And let's see, if we go back, here are the workout. We have tons of different workout modes. And I really like the crown key, guys. Honestly, crown key, it should be mandatory for every smartwatch in my opinion. Galaxy Watch Ultra should also come with this rotating crown key. So breathing, we have phone, contacts, notifications, weather, calendar, torch, compass, barometer. Let's go into settings quickly and go into about. Here is the device name and model name, running on our Harmony OS 6.0. So yeah, the software feels really smooth, and I think it does feel a little bit smoother compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. I don't know, it is because of the Harmony OS, but the animations looks really smooth and it looks very fast. So here is another watch face, and yeah, I really like the stainless steel on this one. The build quality is incredible. And here is the strap. The strap quality is also really nice, leather strap we get. So here, as you can see, 22 you can put any other straps. So here is the mechanism. If you press this button, you can easily take the strap out. Let me just quickly press it, and here, as you can see, so yeah, really nice. Just press this button and you can insert the strap again. So guys, let me know in the comments down below which smartwatch you are using currently in 2025. I'm gonna be switching to this watch, and I'm gonna be comparing this watch to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So stay tuned for that. If you are liking this video, click on the like button, guys. So if we swipe from the left, we have Smart Assistant, and if we swipe from the right, we have Activity Over, and here is our well-being. I don't know what is this, but you can set this up. Let's just quickly set this up. And if we go to the right, here is our health tracking system, health application, and the weather information. So yeah, overall the UI is very smooth, and we are currently on list mode. Let's go into grid mode. You can also show the icons. If we swipe all the way to the up, it's going to show you the text underneath the icon. And here, as you can see, you can also hide the text. So yeah, amazing, guys. The fluidity, it's incredible. If we talk about the price, it's very cheap compared to Apple Watch Ultra and Galaxy Watch Ultra. So I'm gonna do a full review after testing it. So the main reason I got this is because of the battery life, guys, honestly, because here, as you can see, the watch face looks incredible, and AMOLED display is also really nice. So the viewing angles is also very great because of the AMOLED display. Let's go into display and turn on the always on display. And I'm gonna be using it with the always display on. So here, as you can see, always on display looks incredible, guys. If you agree with me, like this video. And yeah, so far I'm really liking the design, and it's very lightweight compared to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, but it doesn't feel cheap, honestly. And so far I'm really liking it. You can tap to wake the screen as well, and you have palm gesture as well. So here's how it looks on my wrist, and looks incredible in my opinion. Let me know in the comments down below. You can change the strap if you don't like the color, but I really like the color, and the quality is amazing. So guys, if you like this video, click on that like button, and I'm gonna be comparing this with the Galaxy Watch Ultra in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot, and I 100% recommend you to purchase the Huawei Watch GT6. So please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.